Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to have smoother play on Pokemon TCG Pocket app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who play Pokemon TCG Pocket but you want there to be a smoother gameplay. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to click on the hamburger icon on the bottom right hand side. Next, you're going to click on Other. Next, you're going to click on Settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Frame Rate Cap. So what you need to do is that you need to set this to 60 FPS, just because 60 FPS is going to allow for a smoother display. Afterwards, you should have a smoother display or play when it comes to the Pokemon TCG app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and have smoother play on the Pokemon TCG Pocket app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.